Good morning, everybody. Today, we are here to celebrate the birth anniversary of respected Dr. Babasaheb Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. I'm here today for delivering the speech on the occasion of 130th birth anniversary of respected Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar sir. Actually, I'm just focusing right from the born of respected Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. The respected Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was born on dated 14 April 1891 at Mau, Madhya Pradesh, India. The born of Dalit Mahar family of Western India. He was, as a boy, humiliated by his high caste school fellows. His father was an officer in the Indian Army, awarded as a scholarship by the Gaikwar ruler of Baroda, now Vadodara. He studied at universities in the United States, Britain, and Germany. He entered the Baroda public service at the Gaikwad's request, but again ill-treated by his high caste colleagues. He turned to the legal practice and to teach. He soon established his leadership among the Dalits, founded several journals of their behalf, and succeeded in obtaining special representation for them in the Legislative Council of the government. Contesting Mahatma Gandhi's claim to speak for Dalit or Harijans, as Gandhi called them, he wrote what a Congress and Gandhi have done to the untouchables in 1945. In 1947, the Ambedkar became the law minister of the government of India. He took a leading part in the framing of the Indian constitution, outweighing discrimination against the untouchable and skillfully helped to steer it through the assembly. He resigns in 1951, disappointed at his lack of influence in the government in the October 1956 in despair because of the perpetuation of the untouchability in the Hindu doctrine. He renounced Hinduism and became a Buddhist together with about 20 lakh fellow Dalits at the ceremony in the Nagpur. Ambedkar's book Buddha and his Dhamma appeared posthumously in 1957 and it was republished at the Buddha and his Dhamma. The modern constitution of India normally recognizes the plight of the untouchable by the legally establish their ethnic subgroups as a scheduled caste. A population of some of the 170 millions in the early 21st century. In addition, the designation scheduled caste, scheduled tribe, about 85 millions, was given to the indigenous people of the country who fall outside of the Indian social hierarchy. Beside the benign untouchability, the Constitution provides these groups with the specific educational and vocational privileges and grants them to special representation in the Indian Parliament in support of the efforts of untouchability. Offences Act 1955 provides the penalties for the preventing anyone from the enjoying a wide variety of the religious occupation and the social rights on the ground of that he or he hails from scheduled castes or scheduled tribes. Despite such measures, the, the traditional division between the pure and populated caste groups persists in some levels of the Indian society, making full emancipation of these groups as slow and come out. Actually, the education of Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar Elphinstone High School University of Bombay, Columbia University, London School of Education. His associate was Samta Sainik Dal, Independent Labour Party, Caste, Scheduled Castes Federation, political ideology. He writes wings and equality. The religious beliefs he Hinduism. He become the Buddhism in 1956 onwards. Actually, his publication is very wide. The Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, the publication essays on the untouchable and the untouchability, the inhabilitation of the caste waiting for visa. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, popularly known as Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ji Ambedkar, he was a jurist and social reformer and politician. He is also known as the father of Indian Constitution, a well-known political and eminent jurist. His efforts to establish the social evils like untouchability and the caste restrictions were remarkable. Throughout his life, he fight for the rights for the Dalits and other social backward classes. Ambedkar was appointed as India's first law minister in the cabinet of Jawaharlal Nehru. He was posthumously awarded the Bharat Ratna, India's highest civilization honor in 1990. Childhood and early education of Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. The Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar was born in Bhimabai and Ramaji on 14 April 1891 in Mau Army Cantonment, Central Province, Madhya Pradesh. Ambedkar's father was the Subedar in Indian Army. After his retirement in 1894, the family moved to the Satara, also in a Central Province shortly. After his Bhimrao's mother passed away 4 years later, his father remarried and family shifted to Bombay in 1906. In a 15-year-old, Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar married with Ramabai, a 9-year-old girl. His father, Ramji Sakpal, died in Bombay in 1912. Throughout his childhood, Ambedkar faced the stigmas of the caste discrimination hailing from the Hindu Mahar caste. His family was viewed as untouchable by the upper classes. The discrimination and the humiliation and haunted Ambedkar at the army school. Fearing society outcry, the teacher would segregate the students of lower caste from that Brahminist and Brahmin community and other upper classes. So that Dr. Bhimrao Ambedkar not allowed to go to inside the class, but put and stand or sit outside the class. And after the untouchable students were often asked by the teacher to sit outside the class to that person. After the shifting the Satara, he was enrolled at the local school, but the change of the school did not change the fate and trend of young Bhimrao. Discrimination followed wherever he went, and the Brahmins, other upper classes, untouchable students were often asked by the teacher to sit out the class. After the shifting Satara, he was enrolled in the local school, but the change of school did not change the faith young Bhimrao. Discrimination followed by wherever he went. After the coming back to the US, Ambedkar was appointed as the defense secretary to King of Baroda, but there also he had to face the humiliation of being untouchable. Education. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar cleared his matriculation in 1908 from the Elphinstone High School in 1908. Ambedkar got the opportunity to study at the Elphinstone College and obtained his graduate degree in economics and political science in 1912 from Bombay University. Besides clearing all the exams successfully, Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar also obtained a scholarship of 25 rupees a month from the Gaikwad Rural of Baroda, Sayajirao Gaikwad III. Ambedkar decided to use the money for their higher education studies in the USA. He enrolled in Columbia University in New York City to study the economics. He completed his master's degree in 1915 after successful completion of his thesis titled Ancient Indian Commerce. In 1916, he enrolled in the London School of Economics and started working on his doctoral thesis titled as The Problem of the Rupees, its origin and its solution. With the help of former Bombay Governor Lord Sydenham, Ambedkar became the professor of political economy at the Sydenham College of Commerce and Economics in Bombay. In order to continue his father's studies, he went to England in 1920 and his own expenses. There he was received diploma in science by the London University, Delft. Ambedkar also spent a few months at the University of Bonn, Germany, to study the economics. He received his PhD degree in economics in 1927. On 8 June 1927, he was awarded as a doctorate by the Columbia University. Movement against the caste discrimination. Actually, Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, when he returning to India, Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar decided to fight against the caste discrimination plug he thought out of his life. In his testimony before the Sub-Braun Committee, preparation of the Government of India Act 1919, Ambedkar opinion that there should be separate electoral system for the untouchable and other marginalized communities. He contemplated his idea for reservation of the Dalits and other religious outcomes. Ambedkar began to find out ways to reach to the people and make them understand the drawback of the privileged social evils. He launched a newspaper called Mugnaika, Leader of the Silent, in 1920 with the assistance of the Sahaji II, the Maharaja of Kolhapur. It is said that after the hearing his speech at the rally, Shahu Maharaj, and influenced that the ruler of Kolhapur decided to be the leader to incident also created the Q's approach to socio-political arena of the country. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar started his legal career after the passing the bar course in Gray's Inn. He applied his litigious skill in advocating cases of the caste discrimination. His resounding factory in defending several non-Brahmin leaders accusing the Brahmins for ruining India's established the basis of his future. In 1927, Dr. Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ambedkar launched the full-fledged movement of Dalit rights. He demanded public drinking water sources open to all, right for the castes to enter the temples, openly condemned Hindu scriptures, advocating the discrimination and arranged symbolic demonstration of enter the Kalaram temple in Nasik. In 1932, the Pune Pact signed between Dr. Ambedkar and Pandit Madan Mohan Malya, representative of the Hindu Brahmins, relinquishing reservation of the seats for the untouchable classes in the provisional legislature within the general electorate. These classes were later designed as the scheduled classes and the scheduled tribes. Political career. The political career of Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. In 1936, the Ambedkar founded the Independent Labour Party. In 1937, the election to the Central Legislative Assembly, his party owned 15 seats. Ambedkar oversaw transformation of his political party into the All India Scheduled Caste Federation, although it performed poorly in the election held in 1946, the Constituent Assembly of India. Dr. Ambedkar objected to decision of the Congress and the Mahatma Gandhi to call the untouchable community to Harijans. He would say that even the members of the untouchable community are same as the other members of the society. Ambedkar was appointed on the Defense Advisory Committee and the Viceroy Executive Council Minister of Labor. His reputation as a social led to his appointment as a free India's first law minister in chairman for the committee responsible to drafting the Indian Constitution in for the independence of India. The farmer of Indian Constitution, Dr. Baba Sahib Bhimrao Ambedkar, was appointed as the chairman of the Constitution Drafting Committee on August 29, 1947. Ambedkar emphasizes on the construction of the virtual bridge between all the classes of the society. According to him, it would be difficult to maintain the unity of the country and difference among the classes were not met. He put the political emphasis on the religious, gender, and caste equality. He was successful in receiving the support of the assembly, introducing the reservation for the members of the SC/ST in the education, government jobs, and the civil services. Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar conversation to the Buddhism. In 1950, Ambedkar traveled to Sri Lanka to attend the convention of the Buddhist scholars and the monks. His return to decided to write a book, Buddhism and his son. The very big the history of the respected Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar. And since in 1956, 6 December, he died at his home in New Delhi. Since Ambedkar adopted Buddhism, religions, and Buddhist style of ceremony, very big personality was died. On the occasion of today's the birth anniversary of Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar, I would salute the Dr. Bhimrao Ramji Ambedkar and his work for whole India and making and deleting the discrimination between one man to another man on the basis of the caste. Today, I'm very happy to deliver this because of I'm very desired to deliver this very big platform and big personalities background history. Myself, Professor Kishore Wagmare from Anandibai Raurani Arts Commerce Science College. I would like to stop here. Thank you. Thank you.